We stay competitive by allowing ourselves to grow 365 days out of the year, utilizing a controlled environment greenhouse and a couple components to help us push through that heat of the summer and our mild winters. So in the summertime, our hardest part to control, we utilize a series of controls or components that take in sensory readings of humidity, light, and temperature to turn things on and off in accordance to those signals. So we're not always going to have to be here to turn a fan on or turn off a fan depending on a cloudy day or what. Our first component on a hot day is going to be our circulation fans. Our high efficiency circulation fans help move some of that cooler air from the morning temperatures around before some of our exhaust fans start to turn on. So as these exhaust fans turn on one by one, simultaneously a vent on the other side of the greenhouse starts to gradually get larger and larger, allowing that air to pass through that back vent and escape the higher part of the other side of the greenhouse, flows that air through here much like a wind tunnel. Now at a certain point of the day, it is so hot outside, we are just filling this area up with hot air. At that moment, a signal sends to that back brown wall, sending water from the top reservoir to the bottom reservoir, drenching that cooling pad and exposing that air to that cool water. As it does that, it creates an evaporative cooling technique, ultimately bringing down that humidity, maybe not the temperature as much, but we can really survive one of the most humid days in Houston by just extending our harvesting days or harvesting hours to either the morning or the night instead of the middle of the day, which we're able to do in the winter. Now, if we look at the winter, our more mild winters here in Houston allow us to really kind of grow during that time at a faster rate, much higher production value. And the only real tool that we need to utilize is heaters located in the back of the greenhouse. These heaters are not so much for the plants, but more so to create an ambient temperature in here for the fish tanks and our employees that are harvesting and doing the labor in a wet environment in some of the cooler months out of the year. So these two spectrums of heat and cool are really able to be controlled in this environmentally controlled greenhouse so that we can have a competitive advantage year-round to our local market, supplying them with a leafy green product that might only be traditionally grown in this area 3 months out of the year. So 9 months out of the year, we have a complete market for this product. And it gives us a huge advantage being a smaller producer compared to what we're battling in Salinas, California, where they're dealing with acreages instead of square feet.